Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Claude AI to Roblox Studio. So let's get started. To begin, you're going to open Roblox Studio and locate the AI Assistant panel. Once it's open, you're going to click the menu icon represented by the three dots. From the available options, you're going to select Manage MCP Servers. If MCP support isn't already enabled, turn it on. After that, open the setup guide and copy the configuration code that's provided. Next, launch Claude Desktop or Claude Code on your computer. Make sure it's already installed and working properly before continuing. Inside Claude, click your profile icon and open Settings. From the Settings menu, navigate to the Developer section and look for the option called Edit Config. So you're going to click it to open the configuration file. When prompted, choose a text editor such as Notepad to view and modify the file. Once the file opens, you'll see existing configuration data. Be careful not to remove or modify the opening and closing brackets already present in the file. So instead, place the MCP configuration you copied from Roblox Studio in the appropriate section of the file. After pasting the configuration, review it briefly to make sure everything is properly formatted. Now save the file and close the editor. To apply the changes, restart Claude and, if necessary, restart Roblox Studio as well. When both applications reopen, return to the connection settings and check the available MCP connections. If everything was configured correctly, you should be able to see Claude connection listed and available for use. At that point, the connection is complete and Claude AI should be successfully linked with your Roblox Studio through MCP.